Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the active Zoom meeting, locate the main toolbar at the bottom of your window. Click the camera icon labeled Stop Video. That single control ends your outgoing video stream. Once done, your video feed freezes and other participants see your profile picture or name. Make sure your toolbar is visible. On mobile, tap the screen. On desktop, move the mouse. This immediate action is the only straightforward way to stop broadcasting your camera without leaving the meeting. If you are the host and need to stop someone else's video, open the participants panel and locate the person's name. Click More next to their entry and choose Stop Video. This halts their camera on the call. Alternatively, use the host menu to select Stop Video for all when an immediate, uniform action is needed. Once applied, participants cannot broadcast until you or they restart. This is the controlled, central method hosts use to manage video flow in the meeting. After you stop video, confirm the camera indicator or participant icons show your video is off. If the Stop Video button doesn't respond, make sure no other app is using the camera and that Zoom has camera permissions in your OS settings. Sometimes apps block access. Once checked, quit and relaunch Zoom or rejoin the meeting to reset the stream. If you're the host and a participant's feed still shows, use Stop Video for all or remove, and readmit them as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.